Hi friends, if you are looking for a electronics store WordPress theme, this video is for you. In this video, I have Kena Store WordPress theme, and Kena Store WordPress theme has been specifically made for electronics store. Kena WordPress theme comes with 10 plus unique homepage design, and you can choose any of the great available pre-made home pages for your upcoming website, and all are having a wonderful and a stunning look. Of course, I will show you one or two demos. This is one of the demo website made with the Kena WordPress theme, and you can see the proper and the stunning look which theme is providing for an electronic store, and it has all the modern features and facilities available for an e-commerce website. So, and the great thing is that it comes with a buy now button inbuilt. Generally in e-commerce you need to add this buy now feature additionally with a plugin, but it comes inbuilt, and this is being an advantage. And you can see the single listing, it is having great look, and it has 10 home pages. You can choose any. The filtration of category and the search box is very effective, and the look of website is very professional, of course. And this is the another website made with Kena Store, and it has also got a very wonderful and clear look. So in this video we are going to install Kena Store WordPress theme, and we will also import the demo content, preview the theme options, customization options and basic features available in this video. And you have a reason to watch this video until end, as you never know what features you are going to get in your WordPress theme, which you are going to decide for your website, because after decision you cannot change the theme in very easy manner, and you have to take a look of internal insights of theme which you are going to choose. Now, Kena Store is a multi-purpose e-commerce WordPress theme and specifically made for electronics store, as I told you, and the latest version has been released in April 20 only, and you can say this is compatible to the latest WordPress version and WooCommerce version. So it is 5.7 ready WordPress and 5.2 WooCommerce, and it is compatible with WP Bakery, Slider Revolution and mobile version ready. And the Kena WordPress theme has been developed by ThemeWay, and they are elite authors. The original authors of Kena WordPress theme are ThemeWay, and they are elite authors. And the theme was originally developed in 2017, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. So you can consider this theme for your upcoming project, because it gives all the edge and privilege for your website, and it is mobile version ready, and it has multiple home pages ready. So you can choose this theme for your website. And I have seen the code quality, it is also very good, so you don't worry about the quality of theme, it is wonderful. Okay, so let us begin the installation of Kena Store multipurpose WooCommerce WordPress theme. And for this I have a fresh installation of WordPress, in which, let me check, one plugin is still pending. Okay, so it is fine. So this is the latest installation, and the WordPress 5.7.2 latest version is running on it with 2021 WordPress theme, and in which we are going to install Kena Store WordPress theme. and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, some plugins has been provided like Visual Composer, Revolution Slider and WooCommerce product filters, and sample data has been provided separately. So content, mega menu, pages and Revolution Slider, and the theme pack itself, Kena main theme file and the child theme file. So let us begin the installation. For this we have to go in the themes section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to select the kena.zip file. Remember the file name is kena.zip, which is laying under the theme folder. And if you are having direct access on your hosting server, so you can upload the theme in WP content themes folder as well. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I wish to show you the theme file size. In fact, and the theme is really optimized. It is just having 2.81 MB in size. It is really amazing that such a low weight WordPress theme for WooCommerce website. It is really great. It is well optimized, of course. It is indication that you are going to get a very fast loading website using this theme, and you can see it live as well, how fast it is loading, and it is really having great features and all such things. So okay, so we have uploaded the theme, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. Extraction outcome is this Kena folder in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space. We have already extracted it. And I must tell you, both activities of uploading theme are same. Either you can choose to upload the theme using this WordPress interface, or you can directly upload to the WP content themes folder on your hosting. So don't get confused, you have to choose only one and don't repeat the process. Now since we have uploaded the theme, we can go back to the theme section, and now we have Kena as another theme option along with the default theme of WordPress. Let us check the details. This is Kena version 2.10.4 and it is by ThemeBay, Kena multipurpose WooCommerce WordPress theme. And now we can activate it. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins for using and running this theme. Let us check the list of plugins, and these are the list of plugins. Mostly are required. No, not only mostly, all are required in fact. So 13 plugins are required for using this theme, and Contact Form 7 is here. Redux framework, it is a great framework for WordPress, of course. Revolution Slider is here, and ThemeBay framework for themes, WP Bakery Visual Composer, WooCommerce itself, and WooCommerce Associates plugins are here. So I am choosing to install all the plugins in one go, all the 13 plugins. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any error during the installation process. It is necessary to install all required plugins in a proper manner so that you may use the theme. And you can see all the plugins, all the 13 plugins got installed in just few seconds. And if you are ordering the theme at WP Themes website along with the hosting plan, you shall be getting the same capacity server as you are watching on the screen. So be sure that you are using correct value server and that is very important for your website, and that comes in very reasonable price, so don't worry for that. And you can choose a very simple reseller hosting plan for this theme, and it is available on WP Themes website as well. So choice is yours. You can get the theme or you can get the pre-installed theme on the hosting. So everything is given in the description of this video, and just follow the link given in the description and you will get all the details. Now we have installed all the plugins and we can go to the plugins installer. Okay, so now we have to activate all the plugins. So that can also be done, all activation can be done in a single click. Select activate and apply. Now all the plugins has been activated successfully, and now simply click on dashboard just to check whether it needs further information, like WooCommerce sometimes asks for putting the rest of details to complete the setup of WooCommerce. Let us check where it navigates. Okay, so it is redirecting to WooCommerce setup page, and we need to complete this step as well. Okay, so I am putting just a random text here, and you need to put the original as applicable for you. Just complete the process and follow the all screen instructions. Choose the applicable credentials for you. No need to install these additional plugins. These can be installed as required on later stage. And one important thing is here that you need to select Kena here. So simply click on continue with my active theme. No need to install Jetpack for the time being, you can install it later. And now the WooCommerce installation is also complete, and now we have completed the installation of all set of plugins along with the theme, and it is just asking for basic feedback. Now fine, now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and the all set of plugins. Here is the basic look of Kena store. This is the core look, and it is of course without any demo content, and you can start building your website scratch from here if you don't want to use any pre-made website. And you have option to choose these 10 pre-made website for your upcoming website project. So choice is yours. You can choose to use the pre-made website, and you can start your website by putting original content of yours, and you can start building your website scratch from here. But mostly people are using the pre-made website, so at this stage we need to go for demo content installation, and I'll show you all these components which we got additionally in this installation. So swatches, theme web brands, theme footers and all such things. At this stage we have to import the demo content first to complete the website like a demo website, and I am looking for the option where the demo content importer is available. And now we are here at, I'll show you again. So I just clicked on the setup wizard, so it is laying under appearance section. So under appearance section there is a theme setup option, just click on that, and this is the setup wizard, and we can start from here. You can skip to install the child theme, and now we have the choice available what we need to import as demo content, and you can choose any of the home page out of 10, and I am choosing the first one, considering is it as default one, and we can choose to import what we actually want at our website. Since it is a new website, we can choose all, and by default all is selected here. Simply click on import, and the import process has begun, and it is going to take time because it gets connected to the developer server, and it also downloads the media files and rest of files necessary for the demo website. And you have to be here without refreshing or leaving this page. However, you can use another tabs and let the process to be completed. Wait for the next message on the screen, and you will reach on this screen, all done, have fun, once the demo content gets imported. And it was very simple, and all the content got imported just in background, and you just need to wait for the completing the process. And now we can take a look of our website. And here is the great website, and you can see how the process was simple and how the process was smooth of installation, and we got a very good outcome of this process and got a very wonderful website in just few minutes. And all the pieces and all the components has been imported successfully, and all are working very fine in a very fast manner. So it is great, and it is really fast and effective. And I'm just simply typing a mobile here just to check how search is working. This is Ajax search, and so no product was listed as in mobile, so we can check through the category. Okay, so Samsung Galaxy and all such listings are here, so I'll just type Samsung here, and you can see how Ajax search is working, SAMSUNG. So it is filtering like Ajax, and it is very effective search system. And on a e-commerce website, it is very important, if search is working fine, you are going to get great number of sales and high number of conversion, of course. And you can see the logins and all such cards are here. So it is wish list and shopping cart, welcome message, and logout option is here, all like a professional website, professional e-commerce website we got in this theme. And filtration of categories are very prominently located in the theme, and this search option is very good, and the theme quality is really wonderful, and the installation process was also so smooth. So I don't feel you have any reason to not to select this theme, and you can simply choose this theme for your electronics store, and it is working very fine. So we completed the installation along with the demo content at this stage. Now it is time to show you what we got additional in this installation and the WordPress control panel. And this is the WordPress panel again, dashboard, and I'll show you the additional things what we got with this theme. This is swatches, and I'll simply click on swatches options. So you can set the swatches here. So swatches are basically variants of products. So it is, you have all the controls here. And okay, so footers can be handled in this section, and you can edit the footer or add new footer. Brands has been given separately, so you can use this option for featuring the brands. I'll show you the fields as well. And simply we have to put brand links here, and brand information can be put here. Okay, so it is so simple. Testimonials is another thing which we got in this installation, and mega menu is important because mega menu is being prominently used at this theme, and rest of things are common as in WordPress installation. So WooCommerce and rest of things are here. Now I'll show you the Kena options, that is the theme options. It is going to give you complete control on your website. So this is important to watch all these features, and these are the general settings available in the theme control panel. So active scan is here, and preload website, config image size, enable load lazy load, header control is here. So you can use search form, and search form has multiple options, so autocomplete search, so search result pages, and all such things are here. So you can choose any of these options as per your requirement and choice. Footer option is here. Mobile is another setting, footer mobile and menu mobile. Blog settings, WooCommerce style, and you can change the theme color. This is also a very good control. So if you want to change the complete color of the complete theme color, you can choose from this screen. Typography, top bar, header, main menu, footer, and the copyright text. Social share is here, and you can improve the performance as well by minimizing the files. So minified JS you can use, and custom CSS can be put here, and import export is common thing. So all controls has been given in the theme itself, theme panel itself. And let us see the customize options, whether it is holding another more options or what. Okay, so options are same as I assume, so you can simply control. So logo is the main part. If you are looking for logo where you can change the logo, it can be done from here. So header option, under header option you have to put your upload your logo, and just keep in mind the sizes of the images and the material which you are uploading for your website should be proper to maintain the integrity of website. And now we have seen all the available options, and at last I'll show you how to edit the page content. So this theme uses WP Bakery page builder. It is very simple page builder and prominently being used on thousands, millions of websites. So just open the page which you want to edit, and if you are editing the home page, I will rather advise you to take a backup of home page using any duplicated plugin, so that just in case you made any mistake, you can restore the page. And open the page and hit on edit with WP Bakery page builder. And the page builder is loading up now. And the front end of WP Bakery page builder loads bit slow, but it works very fine. You can use the backend editor as well, and this is the simple controls. You have to click on the pencil icon and desktop setting, whatever you want to do. This is slider revolution part, and simply click on the pencil icon for changing the text, images, and you shall be able to control all the contents. Like images can be changed from here, and if you want to edit text, so you can edit the text as well. Just remember, you have to use same length text as given in the demos so that you can maintain the integrity. And in the backend editor, even you can add or remove sections simply. I'll show you these options. So this is the backend editor using WP Bakery Visual Composer, and you can simply remove the sections which you don't want to use and edit the sections as well. Okay, so it is very wonderful theme, of course, and you can customize this theme using the theme page builder options and all the available options. It is very simple. Even a non-technical person can do all these activities, and we got a clear look WooCommerce WordPress website for your online electronics store website, and it is going to be a successful website, of course. I believe you are having any questions regarding this theme, and you can freely ask the questions in the comment section of this video, and I am also adding the link of my website where you can get in touch with me directly for your questions, your theme selection and hosting and all such things. Don't hesitate in asking, just be in touch, start building, keep watching. Thank you.